So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And I've got a secret website which is providing free API for GLM 4.6, Kimi K2, and other big models, all open source. As you can search here, that is Routeway. It is also providing free API for DevStrel 2, Kimki2 Thinking, Minimax M2, and in this short video, I will be showing you how you can access the free API key that is unlimited for GLM 4.6. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into Routeway. Then you need to go to dashboards. In dashboards, you can see API keys, and here you need to create an API key for yourself. Create API key, enter your details, and the API would be available. As a next step, let me search for GLM 4.6. Now you need to put out the free GLM 4.6 free. Once done, I am taking up this code and you have got the API key too with yourself. Now what I have done, I have converted this into a Python script. So rather than a curl request, I am running a Python script, and here is the code for you. GLM 4.6 free API key. This is the URL to hit, Routeway.ai. Then bearer, I am providing the API key here that I generated there. GLM 4.6 free role. My content is hello, how are you? And once I'm running it, I'm able to get a response here. As you can see, this is the output that I'm getting from assistant content, analyzing the user input. The user query is hello, how are you? This is very common and polite greeting. An icebreaker, the user is asking for complex information. A lot of things are coming out in the output towards the end. Let me try out another prompt and then we will wrap this up. I will share the link in the comment section below how to access the platform. So let me try out another prompt here. What is 2 plus 5 plus 6 minus 4? So let me rerun it in front of you using the free API key. This is unlimited also, I think. So you should definitely go check out the platform and try it out. I'm not doing it as a paid promotion, so don't worry about it. This might take a while. As you can see, our output is here. I'm using it continuously. It's asking for arithmetic relationship. It is in steps, as you can see. Entire mathematics is done here. The final answer is 9 as it is giving, which is correct. So with this, it's a wrap. You can use GLM 4.6, one of the best open source model for free. Its API is free to use and you can use it from routerway.ai. Thank you so much.